All right, trombones, we are moving on to lesson 2. We worked on our buzz. I want to go over, and I know it gets kind of tricky with the hands, how we're holding our trombone. What we're going to do, the best way to do it is to hold it straight up and down, okay, with the mouthpiece out in front. Remember, you're going to hook your thumb over the bar, and you are going to grab, almost like you're shaking hands. So hook the bar over and grab. You're going to have a space in between your thumb and your first finger. When you're grabbing the slide, we're going to do our best to grab it with 3 fingers and our thumb. We're not trying to do this. We're not trying to grab around. We want to be comfortable when we're using the slide. So 3 fingers and thumb. You can tell I'm not a video technician, right? 3 fingers and thumb, and we'll work on that in class. So we're working on B flat, and remember I told you B flat is first position all the way up. And I know we're still working on getting comfortable with our trombone. Remember, it's going on your left shoulder. We're breathing in. We're thinking about our buzz. Okay, listen to that sound again and join me. Now we're going to do a pattern. We're going to play for 4 and stop for 4. Play for 4 and stop for 4. And in the music world, we use the word rest. So I told you in class that this means to stop. When I'm counting with my fingers up to 4. So we're going to rest and play. Rest and play. I want you to play along with me. We're going to do that pattern. Remember, thumb is hooking. We're grabbing around. 3 fingers and the thumb. You're going to get better at this as you practice. Okay. I'm going to hold it with one hand for now because I'm going to help you count. So, playing position. I'm going to count to 4 and then you're going to join me. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. One more time. Ready, go. Okay. Now you can go back and play that again. Your note should sound the same every time. So that B flat should always sound the same. Okay, and that's the goal we're looking for. We're going to do that exact exercise in class. I want you to do that a few times. You can do it on your own. You can do it with the video. You can just slide your finger back and go back and do that again. I am going to show you the next note. Now, we haven't talked about this in class, but I want to see who watched my video. So we're going to see who I'm going to ask you next week. Did you watch my video? What is the new note that we learned? Anybody? Okay. We are going to learn the note C. So we've learned B flat. Now we're going to learn the note C. These notes are all in your music book. We're just learning what they sound like. Now, what position on your trombone? This is the hardest one. It's 6th position, which means we're going to stretch our arm out as far as we can. As far as we can. Okay, I know some of you have longer arms than others. I have a very short arm, but I can get to that C. So I'm going to play B flat for you back up in 1st position. Listen to C. Higher or lower, trombones? Higher or lower? B flat. 6th position. It's higher. You want your C to sound a little bit higher than B flat. 6th position. Remember, 3 fingers and your thumb. I always go the wrong way, right? As far as you can stretch, try to sound like mine. Let's play for 4 and rest for 4. I can't use my hand because I need it for my slide. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's C. Now, before we go, we're going to do both notes. We're going to alternate from B flat to C, which means now you have to change positions. When do you do that? When you're resting. Watch, listen. I play my B flat. You're going to have 4 beats to change positions. You won't always have 4 beats, but for now you will. Let's try it together. We're going to start with B flat for 4 beats, then we're going to rest and switch notes. Get ready. First position, hook that thumb. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, switch, ready, C. Back to B flat, ready, play. Switch to D, ready, play. Sorry, C, back to B flat, ready, go. I meant to say C and I said D, because D is our next note, but we're not ready for that just yet. So we're working on B flat first position, hook that thumb, grab around, 3 fingers, and slide down to your next note, which is C. B flat and C as far as you can go. Listen to mine, play along with me. Our next note is D. We're going to be ready to read music really, really soon. Work on those notes, get more comfortable keeping that trombone nice and still, and I'll see you in class.